Here are Tessa's mini or medium Australian Labradoodles at almost 4 weeks. Here's Jessie, the biggest of the bunch. And here's Violet. Here's Henry. And Benny's hiding. Come here, Benny.
That's cute name.
There's Benny. Hey, Benny boy.
That's cute name.
They're so pretty chill and inactive right now. Just starting to crawl and kind of starting to play with each other a little bit. Hey, come here.
Mom, that's a cute name. That's a cute name. That's a cute name, Mom. That's a cute name. Here, how are you?
Where's he going? Oh, there she is.
What are you doing?
Little nails getting stuck on the carpet, aren't they?
How are you? You're cute, aren't you?
Tell us,
You're
Henry.
cute too. I think you're
Oh,
right.
get me. Are you going to get me, Henry? Huh? Are you going to get me? Oh, tell us.
Oh, Mom, look at me. Mom, look.
Oh, tell us about it, Violet. Tell us about it.
Mom, look at me.
Tell us about it.
Look at me.
Tell us, Henry.
Come here. Come here. Come here, little cute girl. Come here.
You guys want to eat? This will be their first time eating puppy food. You guys want to eat? Come here. Look.
Yeah.
Henry's not wasting any time. You want a bite? What is that, Benny boy? Huh? Violet's thinking about it. She's just gonna chew on it. Hey! What is it? Hey, come here. Hey, what's that? Huh? Here, you want to taste it? Here, do you want to taste it, Jess? You want to taste it? Huh? You not crazy about it? Here, put just a little bit on your finger. Come here. Come here, bud. You want to taste? It's good, huh? Yeah. No,
Tell us. I like you. Mom, I like you.
you like me, I like you too, Ben.
Can you give that to Mom, this one isn't food.
Yeah, they're not. They may not be hungry. Want some, Benny or Henry? Oh, Henry's taking it.
He didn't take it yet. I dropped it. See it?
Not sure. Ben, don't.
What?
Don't do that. Jessie, you want a bite?
She's eating some. She don't know where it's at though. Here, Mom.
You want a bite? Huh?
She's looking at him, but she don't know what it is right here.
Well, show it to her.
You.
Now put her little nose right up next to it. Hey,
She's like,
she's scared of the boat.
oh, Daddy's home.
No, it's Thunder.
Who is that? She's
Thunder.
looking for it.
She's gonna lick it off your finger.
I'm trying to get her, but she's looking for something. Right here. Do I need?
Oh, I'm getting kisses. Jesse gave me kisses. Finnegan. Finn. No.
Look. I'm gonna eat food.
Do you want a bite? Here, let me see him. Let me see him.
He's looking a little bit.
You want to taste? Is that cold, Benny?
It's more fun. He's like, puppy, puppy.
Maybe you guys aren't ready for food yet, huh? Give it a try in a couple days. Pretty girl. So big. That's just a big fluff ball, aren't you?